The word adenomyosis adeno means glands and meiosis means inflammation of the muscle. How we treat this adenomyosis is with the medical management. There are few injections can be given every month, 3 to 5 doses, and most of the time these adenomyosis will subside and the patient can undergo fertility treatment. I'm Dr. Lakshmi, IVF consultant at Sri Ramakrishna Hospital. I'll speak on adenomyosis and infertility. There are endometrial cells which line the uterine cavity and they are called endometrium. When these endometrial cells they penetrate inside the uterine musculature wall, it can cause hypertrophy of the muscle. The word adenomyosis adeno means glands and meiosis means inflammation of the muscle. So when these endometrial cells penetrate into the musculature of the uterus, it will cause the hypertrophy or the inflammation, swelling of the muscle, and that's how it is called adenomyosis. It is seen mainly in the older age group women who are 35 and above. But patients coming late for the fertility treatment, this adenomyosis is commonly seen in infertile group. How does this affect? This adenomyosis can be diffuse, that is, it is occupying the entire uterus, or it can be focal, only at one particular point. Then whenever it is enlarged, it will distort the cavity, and whenever it is distorting the uterine cavity, it will affect the transport of the sperm, egg and the embryo into the uterine cavity. Secondly, the entire endometrial architecture or the uterine architecture is altered, and it can enlarge and it can give rise to a lot of complaints like heavy menstrual bleeding, painful periods and pelvic pain. How we treat this adenomyosis is with the medical management. There are few injections can be given every month, 3 to 5 doses, and most of the time these adenomyosis will subside and the patient can undergo fertility treatment. If they are very large, causing more than 12 weeks to 14 week size, it may require surgical, that is the reduction of the size of the adenomyosis. Because this is an adenomyosis is a progressive disease, it requires treatment, and even the fertility, if they conceive, the chances of abortions, preterm labors and all these are very commonly seen. Now how do we treat them? One is the medications, that is I told you about the GnRH analogs or these injections which are given monthly, as well as combined with surgery or placement of an intrauterine device which is called Mirena. Along with that, the other factors we have to correct, like the diet of the couple. Now, since it is an inflammatory disease, the antioxidants in the form of natural foods like green leafy vegetables, fruits, wholesome grains, and food rich in omega-3 fatty acids like the fish, salmon, sardines, and flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, all that would help in controlling the disease to some extent, reduction of the stress, good exercise and meditation. Because it's a progressive disease and if the pain increases, the bleeding is becoming heavier, contact your gynecologist and get the best treatment. Thank you.